Alright, here I got the clutch here and the cable and a bag of parts. Everything's in there. And I already put the handle on the bike. Here's my laptop. And here I got the video. So what I'm going to do is go at it step by step, just like they do in the video. So let's see.
Hi everyone, my name is Mike Downs with Downs Brothers Racing, and today I'd like to show you guys how to install our DBR.
It looks like it's going to fit right up on there. Alright, shim, clutch, line it up, large hole, top left, put your bolt through, and finger tighten it. Alright, here we go.
Take this, fit it through the hole here. Takes a little bit of getting it lined up. And take this, and I'm going to grab my Allen wrench.
Okay, I got the cable stop right here, and I got this set screw, short set screw, shortest one right there, and it fits inside here like that. That's a tight fit. There. Now it's getting just tight. Alright. I'm gonna turn it back a little bit. So there's a better line for the cable to travel. There. That's right about where I want it. Now I'm supposed to tighten down both of them. Just tight. Just tight. There. And it's in. Got that one down there. Right here. And then this one up here screws right in there. Okay? And I got a good line there for the cable to travel too. So I do have a PMR plate if this won't work. But we're gonna try, I'm gonna try it without it first. By the way, I wanted to show you this. First thing I did, I put this handle on. Clutch, brake, clutch and brake. Okay, just a quick note here. I was just about to leave to power, to recharge the battery on the GoPro, and I was looking at this alignment, and I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, I guess you can. But that is not going to work. And that's right, it's less than an inch, but it's off. So I'll go ahead and install that PMR plate. I'll go ahead and put that in, and next time I see you, I'll have a fully charged GoPro and that PMR plate all be aligned.